Stella. Hi. What are you doing? You trying to go for a walk outside? Yeah? Whoa, careful. Did you have a good birthday yesterday? Huh? Did you have fun at your birthday party? Boom! Uh-oh. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. You're just fine. Come on, let's go this way. Is it time for a nap?